Hello, this is Electro2517 with you. I'm sharing tips in this video. For engineering circuit drawing, we use PSPICE software and it's easy to use, also so useful. But in Windows 10 we face installation problem, so let's see how to solve it. Okay, first of all we download a PSPICE software.exe. I can provide a link if you want. So first click on it, and then we need to find the location. I'm creating a folder here, and let's copy the location first. Okay, then paste it here. Now unzip it. Okay, it is successfully unzipped. Then close it, go to the new folder, and you see the setup file. So we have the setup file here, and now let's double click on it. It is not working, so let's find out what's happening. Go to the task manager and see the process. We see it's in the background process, but it's not opening or working. So let's go to the details. We have here the setup.exe, setup.exe. It's running, but it's not have the permission to install. So let's go to right click on it and go to analyze weight chain. Okay, so when you have this window, you need to end this process. I have here nv container.exe, and you guys have something else, but you need to end this process because this process block our installation. Now let's end process. Okay, our installation is starting. This is our installation. Okay, now we can install this PSPICE software. Next. This installs successfully. Okay, now finish. That's all for today, and let's see it's installed or not. Yes, it's installed successfully. Thank you guys, hope you like these tips.